Hi, I'm Ben from 2nd Dynasty.
5 years ago, we launched Sleipnir, our love letter to fusion torch rocket ships, and since then, Sleipnir has become one of our most popular creations, with its modular design, stackable decks, and detailed interiors. Now, we are expanding the fleet with brand new ships for tabletops of all sizes. From the Valkyria to the Ratatosk Patrol ship, the Mercurian Gunship Fenrir, and the massive torpedo destroyer Nidhogg. Even Sleipnir is back with a complete overhaul. Built for tabletop gamers, these ships are printer friendly, require no supports, and are packed with detail inside and out. Our ships are scaled for 28mm miniatures. With stackable decks, you can lift off each level and spread them out on the table, giving you and your players full overview of the action. Don't have a 3D printer? No problem. We'll print for you, but get in quick while slots last. And the fleet is just getting started. Unlock new weapons, ship variations, and maybe even an entirely new starship as we push beyond our funding goals. Command your Aesir Fleet today, only on BackerKit Launch.